Hello teacher, my name is Angelica Sarache and in this occasion I'm going to read some sentences using the present perfect tense. Let's start. Have you ever gone to Machu Picchu? No, I haven't. I'd like to. Have you ever played the guitar? No, I haven't. Have you ever taken over 1,000 pictures just in one day? No, I haven't. Maybe just 100. Have you ever met a famous star? No, I haven't. Have you ever done exercise at the beach? Yes, I have. Have you ever gone skiing? Yes, I have. Have you ever drunk tequila? No, I haven't. Have you ever driven a car? Yes, I have. Have you ever read Harry Potter? No, I haven't. I don't like it, Harry Potter. Have you ever found money on the street? Yes, I have. Have you studied English before? Yes, I have. At Universidad del Atlántico. I took the English course. Have you ever run a marathon? No, I haven't. I'd like to. Have you ever cooked tacos at home? Yes, I have. Have you ever worked over 15 hours in your office? Yes, I have. Well, actually, not in the office, but in the school. Have you ever seen the Great Wall of China? No, I haven't. Have you had an iPhone before? Yes, I have. I have. Have you ever swum with dolphins? Yes, I have. Have you ever lost your wallet? Your wallet? No, I haven't. Thanks God. Have you ever fallen asleep on your laptop? Yes, I have. Well, it was all. Thank you so much. Bye bye.